Welcome back. Well, today, exciting. I don't know about that. But, back on the Suburban. I got the cantilever arms, plates. I'm not going to show them to you yet. Because today, I got to finish the cross member that the bags will sit on. So, the bags are going to have to bolt upside down, because you can't have the fitting move with the arms. So in order to do that, got the holes drilled or slotted for the bolts. Got the sleeves welded in to run the socket up through. I just gotta cut these out now the whole way through to have the fitting clearanced. So that's what I'm going to do today. The problem is I don't currently have a hole saw that is that size. So I'm going to have to use the plasma cutter. Try to get it as close as I can. Clean it up, weld a plate in. Or a tube in. I don't even know if I have a tube that big. But let's get started. Update. Got them cut out. Notches are cut out. Just got to cut the pipe, tack it in there, cut a section out and weld it. Only problem is I'm out of gas, or almost out of gas, for the TIG welder. I forgot. So I'm gonna just, might have to make these in. Oh well, still welding. First step is tack the tubes in. Don't worry about that gap, because these are gonna get sliced right here. A section's gonna be taken out, and then I'm gonna have to heat up the tube and bend it out to line it up. That'll give me plenty of space to get that fitting and the air line through. Perfect. Tubes are sliced. Now ready to be bent out. So that's gonna end it for tonight. Tomorrow is another day. So go grab a snack, a drink, get a cookie, some milk, chips and a beer, I don't care. But I will be back tomorrow, or in the editing world, in about 2 seconds. And we're back. The next day. So now, I'm gonna take these down, heat them up, bend them out, and I'll be back. In 1 second again. Back. Got it all done, kinda. I'm gonna show you. I'm just gonna go straight to the finish part. I'll show you how metalworking really goes, what they don't show you in pictures for SEMA. Sometimes metalworking isn't real pretty. But when you gotta heat it up and bend her out, use a hammer, that's what it looks like. But nothing a little grinding action, some welding, smoothing out can't do. Let's do that. Just like that. You look a lot better. Now I've just gotta buzz them in there. Alright guys, so the video's gonna end here. Figured out just a couple problems with the arms. Yeah. So, I'm gonna make some other tabs so that they work. Get the other parts made up, and then we'll get back on that. That makes sense. But that's how the bags are gonna mount. Fitting clearance. Until I get some other tabs made. I'm gonna make tabs for here. The ones I had weren't gonna work. So I need to get bag plates. I have some, they just only have one hole. And I kind of just want to use both holes. So I'm gonna make them up tomorrow and make the dog bones for the lift. I'll have dog bones that go down to the bag and then dog bones that go down to the axle. So it'll be 2 different dog bones on each side. So keep watching. Videos are coming. It's getting there. See ya.